Hey, hope you guys are doing great. Are you looking to make a professional website for your small business, e-commerce store, local restaurant, or if you have a regular brick and mortar store and now you want to move it online or make a blog and don't have any experience or even basic website making skills? Well, you don't need to go anywhere else. I'm here to guide you through the entire website creation process, from very start till the end, with simple step-by-step YouTube videos not longer than 10 minutes for each step. I will make a website in front of you from scratch, and you can simply follow along. You do not need any coding or computer language skills. All you need to do is to follow my step-by-step videos in the playlist. Once you have gone through the videos on my channel, not only will you be able to make your own website, which a professional website builder can charge hundreds of dollars for, but you will be able to customize not only the appearance of your site, but the functionality as well to suit your own specific needs and requirements. Before we go any further, we would like to welcome you to our YouTube channel called WordPress Professor. We are a bunch of close buddies all in the IT industry. Together, our combined experience surpasses more than 2 decades in making websites. We are also running several established e-commerce stores and online business both here in the US and other countries. Please scroll down and click both the subscribe and like buttons. It really helps the channel out a lot and us to keep making free, easy to understand content just like this. Let's quickly go through some basic background and information regarding websites. Did you know that there are over 1 billion websites in the world, and more than 40% of them are on WordPress? Google processes over 99,000 searches every single second. Simply put, that's more than 8.5 billion searches in a day. So if you do not have a website, you are certainly missing out on a whole lot, no matter what your business or profession is. In 2023, if you do not have an online presence in the shape of a website, then you really need to reconsider what you're doing. It does not matter if you are a musician, freelancer, gym trainer, dentist, have a fashion brand, an expert roofer, runner, hotel or motel. We all need a website for a digital footprint. WordPress is a popular and widely used platform that allows individuals and organizations to create and manage websites and blogs. WordPress is known for its user-friendly interface, and its free WordPress is an open-source platform, which means it is freely available to anyone. Users can download, install, and modify it to suit their needs. WordPress offers a wide range of themes that allow users to change the design and layout of their websites easily. So if you want to change the way your site looks, simply install a theme. WordPress also supports a vast ecosystem of plugins. This simply means if you want to add a feature on your website, just install a plugin, which takes a few minutes. These plugins help you to add, for example, e-commerce capabilities, SEO tools, or social media contact forms. WordPress is known for its SEO, search engine optimization capabilities, improving its visibility in Google search results. This means that you can get more traffic to your website easier as compared to other website platforms. WordPress has a large and active community of users and developers, which means you can find a wealth of tutorials, documentation, forums, and online communities to help you with any questions or issues you might encounter. Some of the most famous websites like the NFL, UPS, the Wall Street Journal, TED, CNN, PlayStation, Harvard Business Review, Coca-Cola, etc. are all on WordPress. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.